In this video, we will show you how to configure a main horizontal menu like it is shown on the layout 3. This is a horizontal menu which we will replicate now. Go to your Shella editor. In the sections, click on Header. In the main menu, select the menu you need. We will select the main menu. Here it is. Now let's add some content blocks to it so that it looks like in the layout 3. We will start with the block Mega Menu. Here we write for which menu item this block is supposed to be, and it is Layouts. Increase column lines limit to 24. In the additional content on the right, choose the content type 2 items in the row. Now let's add another block, Mega Promo Box. Choose the URL for it, for example, Collections, All Collections. Select the image you like. Change the image size to 400 pixels. In the text line 1, we will write New In. In the text line 2, we will write Spring/Summer 2020 Collection. We will select the colorization style 3. Then change the layout to the type #2v2 and add an animation. We want it to be moved to center when being hovered over. This is how it looks like now. Let's add another block Mega Promo Box. Choose the URL for it, for example, Collections, All Collections. Select the image you want. Decrease the image size to 400 pixels. In the text line 1, we write Sale and Special Offers. In the second line, we write Get up to 20% off. Choose the colorization style 3 and change the layout to the type #2v2. We'll add an animation. It will be moved to center when being hovered over. This is what we have got. A mega menu with 2 promo boxes which have animation and text lines. We will add a new content block, Mega Menu, which will be for the menu item Shop. In the additional content on the right, we will choose the content type 8/12 and 4/12 columns. Now we can add a block Mega Products. This is how it looks like now without any blocks. So we add a title, Featured Products, and select the collection Featured Products. Here they are. Let's add the block Mega Brands and give it a title Top Brands. Here you need to select the URL for the brands. We will leave it as Collections, All Collections. Then select the images you want to be shown in the brands, and here they are. Now we will add a block Mega Menu for Women's. Increase the column lines limit to 50. In the additional content on the right, we will choose the content type 2 items in 2 rows. Now let's add some promo boxes to it. Choose the URL, select the image, and change its size to 400 pixels. In the text line, we write New In, and we also add a second text line, Spring/Summer 2020 Collection. Choose the layout type #3, ribbon bottom the image, and add the animation. It will be moved to center when being hovered over. Here it is. In the same way, we will add 3 other promo boxes. And this is a completed version of the Mega Menu Women's with 4 promo boxes in it. A new content block Mega Menu is added for the item Men's. Decrease the column lines limit to 10. Add an additional content on the left with the type 1 item in the row. And do the same for the content on the right. Now we add a promo box to it. As usual, we select the URL and an image. Decrease its size to 400 pixels, add some text lines, choose the colorization style 3, change the layout to the type #2v2, and add a center animation and hover. Here it is on the left. In the same way, we will add another promo box for the right side. And this is what we have got. 2 promo boxes on the left and right of the Mega Menu Men's. Now we will add the block title images. Here we write which title should have an image. For example, men's plus clothing. Then select the proper image. You may change its size. For the second item, we write men's plus shoes and select the image. And the third one will be men's plus accessories and the image for it. This is what we have got. 3 title images between 2 promo boxes. Let's add some labels to our menu. Add a content block labels with the type hot and write for which items it should be. For example, layouts plus home v1 and women's. Here they are. Now we'll add another block labels with the type new, and it will be for women's plus clothing plus coats and shop plus product options. Here they are. We'll add another block labels with the type new and write our own text for it, slider. This will be for the layouts plus home v8. Here it is. We add a new block labels with the type sale and write our own text for it, which is active. This will be for the layouts. You see? Let's add the last block labels with the type sale, and it will be for the item buy now and men's plus shoes. Here they are. Now we are done with the horizontal menu, which looks like the one on the layout 3. These are all content blocks that we have added. Let's save changes and check it on the full screen. This is a completed menu.